Hello and welcome to our first tutorial, where we will guide you through getting started and setting up your profile on Costblok. To get started, go to our website at costblok.com and click Sign Up. Once you've entered your sign-up details, click Get Started. Once you've added your login details, you'll need to add your personal details under your profile settings. Enter your company details under Company Settings. This information can be updated later. You can also search for your company if an entry has been made in the past. Once you've saved your company details, you can upload your company logo. If you've signed up for our free plan, you'll need to upgrade to our paid plan to create and manage new projects. This is your project dashboard, where you'll see all your projects. You've successfully set up your profile on Costblok. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to create your first project. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.